going on, guys? Welcome back. So we're going to be doing a catback exhaust from Corsa Performance on a new Dodge Charger scatpack, and I'm on my way to the shop to get 2 jack stands because I'm using other 2s on my other truck. So I'm going to get 2 of them here from the shop, guys, and we're back at my house so I can show you guys what comes in the box on the Corsa Performance exhaust and give you a before and after from stock to Corsa Performance, guys. Let's get it. So here's what comes in the box, guys. Got your Corsa Performance instructions with some stickers. Let's open it up. See one of the big Corsa mufflers right there. So we start taking stuff apart, and everything looks really good. And this customer chose the black tips. Oh man, those are 4-inch. Looks really nice. Keep on digging, guys. We also got the clamps for the exhaust as well. Let's continue, guys. And we got the whole pipes on the bottom. There we go, man. I love the way they do their packing. Corsa does a pretty good packing assembly on them. Got for the active exhaust valves as well. Your X-pipe. Sort of. There it is, guys. Corsa exhaust. Let's get this started. Alrighty, guys, so I'll let you guys know what I gotta remove the brackets. There's 2. There's one that goes here, one that goes here too. 10mm bolts. I think those are 13 or 14mm for those clamps. Loosen those up, guys. Take off your connectors for your exhaust valves. Also, I went ahead and took off the bolts for the hangers, and in the back I'm just going to remove the two bolts under the exhaust. Should bring it down. We should be able to pull it back. So let's see. Alrighty, guys, so I was able to pull them out already. Have a little bit of patience, wiggle them out left to right, up and down, but don't put too much bite on them. Keep them steady. And they're off, and I'm gonna pull these out, guys, already, and start with the Corsa. Righty, guys, so on the active exhaust valves, these are always set towards open, close, open. So when the car turns on, they close and open back up. So these are always on the position of open when they're off. These are pretty easy to put in there, guys. So I already got that one done. On that side, I'll show you guys there. That one's done. Got the X-pipe connected and the other pipes. Use them knocker loose to have them loose in there so I can wiggle them around, push them in, see how far they're out and the tips and stuff like that. But I'm gonna put this one in, guys. Put the hanger on, and we're gonna start putting the exhaust. The mufflers, the last part. Alrighty, guys, so I already got the exhaust installed. Still loose, but I was just adjusting the tips, guys, on both sides, having the same clearance on both sides. Center them out and put them just a little bit out so you could see the Corsa logo on both of them. They're exact on both sides. This is a pretty badass exhaust system, guys. I mean, to be honest, this thing, it's pretty nice. Everything from the catalyst to the X-pipe to the mid pipes, all the way to the mufflers here in the back. It's really nice. I mean, they took them pretty damn good. Not even a scratch on them. I still gotta remove the plastics, but I'll leave them on until right before I'm gonna start it, guys. So I'm gonna tie everything up, guys, the way it is, and we're gonna start it here in just a bit. So there it is, guys. Corsa catback exhaust with the 4-inch tips, with the black tips. This thing sounds really good, guys. I mean, once you do a cat delete, it's gonna bring out the whole sound, guys. But as it is from stock to the Corsa, man, it's a big upgrade, big change. I love that raspy sound that it has at high RPM. I mean, the customer's gonna be happy, guys. He's on its way to come pick it up. And I'll see you guys in the next one.